Welcome, in this video you will see Polenum password attack tool in Linux. Polenum is a Python script which uses the Impacket library from core security technologies to extract the password policy information from Windows machine. This allows a non-Windows, that is Linux, Mac OS X, etc. other operating system user to query the password policy of a remote Windows box without the need to have access to a Windows machine. Let's do some practical. Let's open up terminal and type Polenum, extract the password policy from a Windows system. Syntax Polenum, username, password, address, protocol list. Get the password policy of the system by logging in with the provided username and password, that is msfadmin and msfadmin@192.168.154.131 using SMB port 445, that is 445 SMB. So let's type Polenum msfadmin : msfadmin@, open up victim machine as metasploit table. Here you can see that victim IP address, back to Linux, and paste it, that is 192.168.154.131, and using SMB port 445, so single quotation 445/SMB. Here domain is found as metasploit table. Password for domain metasploit table, minimum password length as 5, password complexity flags 000000, and so on. Logged account duration 30 minutes. So that's it in this video on Polenum password attack tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.